All right, Kara, you gonna? Well, no, you can't.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Fight's on. Oh! Yeah, see now we need a swimming pool. Oh!
Well, I tried to say that. No, we ain't gonna need that today. We don't need to get one of those.
I thought I told you to be quiet already.
Caliente.
Caliente.
No, that's hot.
Oh.
Caliente. Caliente.
Well, you stopped a little short there, Peyton. Can you crawl to the water?
I'm trying to slide on it.
Oh. Wow. Oh. Wow. Good job. I know. Wow. Good job.
Oh, I missed the whole thing.
Good job. Good. Yay. Good job, Peyton. Watch out, Peyton. Now you got it. When you get done, you got to get off of it, or you're going to get run into. There you go. That was perfect. All right, Kara. Good job.
Kara ain't afraid of nothing, is she?
Oh.
Good job.
Kara's got this down. Oh.
A little bit early.
Man down, girl down.